Good morning, good morning. We had another great day at the park here. Like, no wind, 5 miles an hour tops. I brought out all my mini flyers today. And guess what? They're all from Dave & Buster's. We got the mini helicopter from Dave & Buster's. I believe it's called Exceed. This thing's really cool. My penny, I had a penny here on the front for some little extra weight, and it came off, so we're gonna fly it today without the penny, just the way it's made out of the box. I want to do this one last. Here's our mini wall climbing spider, they call it. It's a drone. It's got its own little cage. This thing's really cool because it can go along the ceiling and along the walls in your house and stuff. It's a really good inside drone. And then another cool drone we got. We're gonna do this one first. This is just the mini drone from Dave & Buster's. The controller is the carrying case. It's really cool. I like that. Here we go. Let's start off with this one. Man, it's already so hot out. Early in the morning, but it's still baking out here. All right, let's take this thing up high. Fighting a little bit of wind, trying to get it back to the camera here. My helicopter's gonna have a hard time with that. All right, let's do a couple flips and then land this thing. Get it right in the center. Really? It doesn't feel like there's any wind out here, but okay. Flip. One more flip. All right. That was the Dave & Buster's mini drone right there. Turn it off, put it in the carrying case. Oh, doesn't matter. There we go. Alright, and next, the wall climbing spider. Go. It's got really cool green lights on this thing, but you can't really tell during the daytime. start off with a couple flips. This one can flip too. All right, let's go up high. Whoa, this thing gets up there quick. All right, now I'm having a hard time getting it back here. I want to make sure it doesn't go over that fence. Oh man. It feels like there's no wind out here, but it's taking forever to get this thing to come back. Bring it in for a close-up. Whoa. All right, let's do a flip and then land this thing. Want to make sure it's in the camera though. Really? There's no wind out here. Come on. These things are so lightweight, like just the slightest breeze pushes them around. Alright, that's enough. Alright, that was the Dave & Buster's wall climbing spider. Done plenty of videos with this thing. I just wanted to bring out these 3 small ones from Dave & Buster's today because like there's no wind and hey, they're flying enough. I can't complain. Alright, and our last one today, the mini helicopter. It's going to be really tough without that penny on the front because the wind is just going to blow this thing around. Alright, let's go. Okay, I'm just stuck over here on the right. Fighting this wind already. We just took off. Come on. Oh, it's gonna be tough today without that weight on the front. It's not going anywhere. Alright, let's take it up a little bit. going to try to take it to the end of the basketball court and then fly it back. Getting closer. A little bit farther. Alright, let's bring it back. I want to make sure it doesn't hit the basketball hoop. Yeah. This thing was gonna fly into the fence back there. Like, just a little bit of wind. I couldn't bring it back, so I tried to grab it, and then I tried to throw it forward while holding forward, but the thing just straight crashed. Anyway, this is the Dave & Buster's mini helicopter. This thing's really cool. It's just without that weight on the front, the wind just blows this thing wherever it wants to go. Anyway, thanks for watching today, guys. These were our 3 Dave & Buster's mini flyers. If you liked the video, go ahead and give us that thumbs up. And if you want to be really cool, become a subscriber so you can get notified when we make new videos. Anyway, catch you later.